We read Parashas Parah this Shabbos in preparation for Pesach. What is the message of the Parah? We know that Pesach, it's Karban, and the mitzvah of Haggadah connects us to the rabbis, to the Chachamim, who will teach us how to elevate ourselves. What is the message of the Parah? We know that a person who contaminates himself to a corpse is contaminated with the most severe level of tumah, and yet the Parah Aduma is able to purify him. How does that work? And also, Shlomo Melech asked the question, how is it that, paradoxically, the Parah Aduma is Mitayr es HaTmeim, and yet it's Mitamei es HaTahorim? And what's the ritual of Eitz Erez, which is the cedar tree, and the Azov, which is the low brush, the Hesav, and the Shnitolas? When it comes to a person who thinks of himself as very low, unfortunately, and he is the Bechina of Tameh, that's how he views himself. But he has to look into himself and find the good within himself. And that will purify and elevate himself. Someone, on the other hand, who thinks of himself as great and as perfect, he has to, in a sense, be Mitami himself. He has to look for the faults and see how he can improve himself. And the message here of the Parah Aduma is that there's a great scholar, and he is represented by the Eitz Erez. He's the cedar tree, very tall. And he reaches out to the Hisab, to the Azov, and he teaches and he uplifts it. And sometimes he himself has to, in a sense, lower himself. But as a result, there's the connection between the two. And that connection is going to be the Shnitolas, that will. Yirotzev his will. That as we prepare for the uplifting inspiration of Chag HaPesach, we take the message of the Parah Aduma with us. We look and try to find the good within us, purify ourselves, connect ourselves to the Eitz Erez, who will uplift us, inspire us. Keni Ratzon, Amen. I want to wish you a Shabbat Parshas Parah, Shabbat Shalom. Thank you.